back to my channel. In today's video I will be making pastelon. Some of you requested that you guys wanted to see me cook pastelon, so I will be making a small pastelon today. If you would like to see how I make the pastelon, go ahead and continue watching my video. But before you continue watching, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give the videos a thumbs up, and leave your comments down below. So for the ingredients, you're gonna need red meat. Depending on how many you're gonna use, the red meat, ground beef. So yeah, it just depends how much you're gonna use. And I usually pick the 93 lean one because it has less fat. I did it with red meat because I just chose red meat, but you can also do chicken, but I chose ground beef. You'll also need plantains. You want to get the yellow plantains, not the green ones, because these are sweet plantains. And especially when they get all like dark like this, like they're soft and they're gonna be sweet, and that's how you want your pastelon to be. And depending on how big your pastelon is, it depends on how many plátanos you're gonna use up. I'm not gonna make a big one, so I don't need as much. You will also need this seasoning. You're gonna need this type of seasoning too: adobo, oregano, and garlic. You need black pepper, onion, and Italian peppers. Onion and Italian peppers are optional. You don't really have to put this into the meat, but it's optional if you want to put it in there too. Ingredients you will also need will be cheese. Any type of cheese does it, anything. I tried it with different cheese before, so any type of cheese, shredded cheese that you want to use. I usually get the Mexican blend one. I usually like those. And you also need butter and a place to put your pastelon, something that's more deep. I got this really tiny one because this is only for me and babe, but usually I get the huge ones when like I'm gonna do it and I'm gonna save up for the next day, or I'm gonna do it for me and my family and stuff. But since this is only for me and babe, I got this tiny one, as long as it's deep, you know, so that you can like layer up your pastelon. So another ingredient you will also need is milk carnation. So another ingredient you will need is cooking spray to put into a bandeja so it doesn't get stuck. Pastelon. Or you can put butter. Alright, so I have my plátanos here boiling. And you're gonna put the fire on high here, you know, so they can boil quick. And then I already threw my meat in here with a little bit of oil. And I'm gonna just throw in the seasonings while it's in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw in your adobo. So after the adobo, I'm gonna throw in oregano. I like to put a lot of oregano in my food. I'm gonna do 2 packets of this. Then I'm gonna take one of these. Okay, so now that I have my garlic here all smashed with salt and pepper, take it and just, you know, throw it in there. And then you're gonna take this and move it around. And then you also want to take your peppers and throw it in. You can do this before as the first step, or you could do it now. I tend to do it both ways, and I won't really see like the big difference, you know. So we're just gonna wait until this is completely done. We're gonna smash the plátanos in a few. They're basically done already. I'm just gonna start taking them out right here. I literally do it like this. It makes it so much easier. You drain it right there. So meanwhile, I take out the plantains and smash them. Turn on your oven and put it to 350 so you can start preheating up your oven. Throw in your butter. So you want to throw your milk carnation in. Just throw it in. It's a little bit more sweet. I think it makes it taste a little bit more sweet. So we're just gonna layer it up. I start off with the plátano. Literally, I take this and I just start to layer it up, as you can see, putting it in the bottom. Alright, so the reason why I didn't put the sour cream in the beginning for the ingredients is because this is optional. If you want, what you can do is put a layer of cheese in between, but I don't want mine that cheesy. Okay, so then now you're literally going to put it in the oven for 15 minutes. This is just to heat up the cheese. 15 to 20 minutes, I would say. Wouldn't give it more than that. So here's the final result. As you can see, it's all layered up, all nice. I already gave babe his piece. I'm gonna eat now. How is it, babe?
Bomb.
He says it's good. I'm not filming him. He doesn't have a shirt on right now, so yeah. It's really good. Not even gonna lie. Babe's about to have his second piece because it came out so good. The sour cream gave it such like a good taste to it too. So this is the end of my video. Thank you for taking your time to watch my video today. I hope you all enjoy watching this and how I made a pastelon. It was very good. I hope you all try it at home too. My boyfriend really liked it. It actually came out really good. And it was quick and easy to do. It's not something that's going to take you a long time either. I will be posting more videos throughout the week. So my goal is to post 2 videos weekly. This is what I've been doing lately. I started off with 1 video weekly, but now I'm going to post 2 videos weekly. It could be with anything. I think I'm going to go into doing my makeup now since I haven't done that in a while. If you guys want any more recipes for me to cook or any more recipe videos to film and stuff or anything at all, leave your comments down below. As always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave the comments down below, and give the videos a thumbs up. I will see you all in my next video, and thank you for taking your time to watch my videos.